Go watch fireworks in a little bit.
It's like...
That's a big hat. Look at that guy's big hat.
Howdy.
That's amazing. There's so many people, and there's still gonna be more. It's so early. And we got glow sticks. We got lots of glow sticks. Oh my god, glow sticks! These don't work.
Glad. These ones kind of do. But look at the yellow one.
Well, it's because it's still light and you can't freaking tell.
Yellow. It's not a party without glow sticks. Peace.
It is literally doing this.
Hi.
Hi.
We can only see the glow sticks, so it's like the responding glow sticks.
Christmas! Oh my god, glow sticks!